Hi all! I just wanted to tell you really quickly about curriculum for homeschooling math. For homeschooling math, we went with teaching textbooks. It's online now, so it's great with a little laptop. There's not a lot of extra paperwork or hassle. Internet connection, it's really mobile, can be done anywhere, and it has a lot of practice right after great lectures. We used it last year to supplement at school because the public school curriculum didn't have adequate practice to really master concepts. So we were using that in addition to the school math, and this year we're able to move on to algebra. I know the public schools had another year of pre-algebra, but the teaching textbooks algebra is actually a little bit slower and behind the public schools algebra, and it was a great place to jump in. We didn't really need another year of pre-algebra. We've been doing that for a couple of years already in elementary school, so we're ready to jump in. And with all the practice that's included, it's really been great.